Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing. No such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city.
Guys, look. Can you guys see that it's like French? So beautiful, so affordable. I went to a place called Nails by Luna, in which was plain, mind you, because everyone here was like fully booked and stuff. Look at the hair it's giving. The lashes, oh my word, like everyone was so obsessed with it. Even the lady that I went to now to do my nails, she was like, my lash tech is the vibes. I was like, I know. Anyway, my lip is giving man. So I went to Kate, like before I went to do my nails, and I bought this bad boy and this bad boy, because my lash tech girl Annika, she told me that every third day kind of you clean her up and just look like this dog thinks my things are twigs. Anyway, I'm like a lash girl now. Upgrade. I'm like a lash girl now. And secret, I'm doing this because I low-key feel like Josh is going to propose to me tomorrow. It sounds so weird saying it, but so yeah, I had to look like a normal human, you know. I'm just been thinking like, what can I wear and stuff like that. So stay tuned, you guys. I'm going to do a get ready with me tomorrow, and yeah, that's going to be a different video. So if you haven't already, subscribe down below. But the video does not end here. You guys are going to be waxing my eyebrows and my lips with me later on. So yeah, stay tuned. Good morning, guys. As you can see, it is the next day and I never did my waxing, but I'm going to shower now and wax things now. So let's go. Guys, wait, let me first clip my hair. So the time has finally come for me to wax my lips and my eyebrow, if I can get it right to do the eyebrow, you know. But my hair doesn't want to stay up. This is my first time using this wax, right? So we're basically putting it to the test. I hope I don't get any skin irritations. But it's the sun front clicks. Period. And let's just get started. I just washed my face. I basically just got out of the shower. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to apply some powder. So we're going to experience this together. We're going to experience this together. Click a mail and see how it goes. So this is how one thingy looks like, and I'm going to rub it between my palms to melt the wax to make it sticky. I'm not even nervous. And my next video is going to be a get ready with me, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe and turn on your post notifications. Okay, I think it is like sticky enough. I'm going to open it up like that. Let me put this on the shelfie. Ooh, so you're going to apply it like in the direction of your egg. So if your egg is this way, as you can see mine does. So I'm going to apply it like this. And you rub it down like that. In 2 seconds. Oh, it sticks. So in. Then I have to tighten it. Holy shit. Only a few came out. Oh, all of it came out, but you won't be able to see because it's so fine. Holy smokeroni, guys, like it's as smooth as a baby's ass. Okay, let's do the other side. Why did I apply it like this? Either way, let's grab it. Oh! This side you can actually see the... Can you see? Holy smokes. My lip is looking on fire.
She know you idiot.
When the door is closed, yeah. I'll wax my lip.
Is it?
Let's see.
Is it sore?
No. But it's smooth, like look closely. Can you see now? Yeah. Can you see?
Yeah, it's good. Doesn't it burn? Are you gonna make your legs as well? Sure. I didn't tell me, but it still looks fresh.
So this is a post-wax wipe. Okay, I just do it
Is that to
with
get the deadness off?
the excess wax off. I'm just doing my brows as well. But I think I'm gonna only wax the top of the brow. I'm gonna twist the bottom of the brow.
See, yeah, actually, because
See the thread you
you didn't thread it, you used the Manura blade.
That's what Craig does. You see how red it is now? Oh my god.
But it looks nice though.
It's red.
Wow.
I must put something on to soothe it. Don't you want to get the Epimax?
Okay.
Looks smooth now? Guys, I'm looking as smooth as a baby's horse. Now let's do the top of my brows because I'm going to tweeze the bottom of the brow. So let's do it. Oh,
Oopsie.
shut. Okay, so you put the powder on the kante, on the basin, and then touch. You put it on the top. It makes the wax easier to stick.
Okay. Wow. So this is now
It
the...
makes the wax stick easier, not it makes the wax easier to stick.
Okay.
Same thing, but better context.
But now I must put it
Period.
on.
Yeah, now I wax the half of the brow.
And it got a whole eyebrow.
So here we go. 3 minutes later we do record.
I'm gonna leave you to that side.
Okay. As you can see, I tried my best to align them as much as I could. And I'm about to pull it off. But I'm basically a hairy woman. I basically just need to go for like microblading or something. Anyway, let's do this. In 3, 2, 1. I don't know how to tighten on top here. Either way. 1, 2, 3. Ugh. Okay, it did get it off. see that. Okay, next one. In 3, 2, 1. Oh! Okay, this one got more wave. And the other one. Okay, cute. It's just looking neater. So I'm going to just be wiping it so that if there's any oils and stuff, not oils, wax stuck, then it would be gone. And then I'm going to tweeze it and show you guys the final result. God, either these already smoked. Either way, this is before I tweeze it. Like, look at that heavy and that heavy. So, let me show you guys. You guys, this is the final product. Whew. So we are finally come to the end of this maintenance vlog, and if you guys have enjoyed watching me do these sorts of things, comment it down below and I'll be sure to do this once a month or whenever. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you, bye.